Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to be discussing a new opportunity for you as a driver to join a new ride-sharing company. This is a pretty legitimate company. They have around $50 million in funding. It's not one of those MLM pyramid schemes, so it could be a cool opportunity. Now, I will have a link below for a company called Fetti, which is helping gig workers make more money by sending them high-paying job offers in 2 minutes. Enter your email below, answer a couple questions to determine your skill set, and they're gonna send you high-paying job offers. And you can even set the parameters of how much money you wanna make. Fetti's really cool, they're free, available nationwide. So why not enter your email with Fetti, sign up below, and start getting some high-paying job offers. So there's a new company on the horizon, and it's called Ridalto. It's the luxurious ride-sharing company where if you're a passenger, you can order a car like Uber, except you're guaranteed a nice car, a nice experience, and you know that the driver is getting paid a fair wage. The driver gets benefits, they get a set wage, they can actually, have a sustainable form of income, and they're even given the car, so they're not even using their own car, which is nice, meaning that the cars are taken care of properly, they're being cleaned regularly, and it's an all-around better experience. So Alto is, this group of guys who decided, you know what, hey look, we want to make Uber and Lyft but better. So Ridalto, they have, I believe, $59 million in funding to date. They came out of Dallas, and Alto has hit 1 million rides. Dallas-based Alto, the app has hit the 1 million mark in its number of rides across the US, and this was as of about 6 months ago. So although small compared to Uber and Lyft, big on the grand scheme of things. And these numbers usually go exponential, right? So it's slow to start. Obviously they want to make sure everything's under control, but as soon as they have everything flowing, they're going to start growing bigger and bigger. So the CEO's name is Will Coleman. I can do a few quick background search, or his LinkedIn. He says he's a founder, he's a father, former McKinsey. He went to the University of Texas at Austin. He's now on a mission to redefine ride hailing. I have over 10 years of experience in consumer travel and transportation. He says he's passionate about the future of mobility. So unlike the CEOs over at Uber and Lyft, or the leaders over at Uber and Lyft, this guy, Will Coleman, he actually cares about transportation and helping people. And it sounds like he's doing that by treating drivers fairly. This is the first person who said, you know what, let's try to treat drivers fairly. He says, I'm lucky to be a husband and a dad to 4 amazing kids that bring me joy every day. I don't know about you, but that brings me more confidence than somebody like Dara Khosrowshahi, who's like, yeah, I'm worth hundreds of millions of bucks, I'm gonna go, buy a mansion, blah, blah, blah. And he's laughing when the rideshare guy asks him about driver pay. He goes, well, we're not lying over here. And it's like, Will Coleman, I don't know, I just trust the guy a lot more. I have a good instinct about him. So Will, if you're watching this, I'd love to feature you on this channel to get your story out to more people. And as of today, they are in only a few markets. I want to make that clear. They are in Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Washington, D.C., pretty big city, by the way, Houston, Texas, Los Angeles, California, Miami, Florida, and Silicon Valley in California. So if you're in Northern California, Silicon Valley, it's not a huge, it's a pretty big area. It's not like all of NorCal, but it's like, Los Angeles, it's pretty huge. The population of LA, of Los Angeles, is what? 4 million people. So, they're operating in huge markets. So this is not like anything small at all. So definitely go check them out if you'd like. You can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. They even got a TikTok, Instagram. But yeah, I'll just show you really quickly. These are what their cars look like. Well, they're just showing a little flyer here. But yeah, there's one of the cars. Looks pretty cool. It just seems like, you know, all around pretty good company. So, oh, here's the CEO.
I don't know if you're a Swiftie, but I wanted to see if you
talk about Taylor Swift.
Taylor.
Yeah, of course.
Which one?
We're never getting back together.
Oh, good, great one. I don't know if you're a Swiftie.
He honestly seems like a pretty cool guy. Like.
Okay. Okay.
If you just see him really quick.
I wanted to see if you had a favorite song by Taylor.
Yeah, of course.
He looks like he gets along with his employees, which is nice. So anyways, wanted to just make that quick little overview. If you're in search of high-paying job offers, you can use the link below for Fetti. It's free. Sign up in 2 minutes. Enter a few questions. They'll send you a list of high-paying job offers. Link below. Anywhere in the country, if Fetti is available, you can choose the remote option and get some money. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.